It's a Thailand romance. It's a casual romance. It happens every day. It's a promise to call. It's a promise you can't keep. It's a promise not to stay. It's a disappointing dinner. It's a love affair we chase. It's a Thailand romance. It's all the times you thought that you were going, but you didn't go. You stayed. It's all the times you thought that you were making love when you were getting laid. It's the girl you thought might be just right till you find out she's a bore. Or the guy who said he'd stay all night, he's halfway out the door. It is mangoes and papayas that are rotten at the core, taking so much shit from lovers that they're not friends anymore. So wanting to be far away on some other distant shore. It's a Thailand romance. Thank you.